In this video, I'll show you how to locate, clean, or replace the intake air temperature sensor. Let's open the hood, and I will show you exactly where the intake air temperature sensor is located. It's right here on the throttle body of the engine. First, disconnect the cable from the sensor connector exactly like this. Then, using a size 10 socket, loosen and unscrew the bolt that secures the sensor to the throttle body. You can also use a wrench instead of a socket. Once the bolt is removed, you can take out the intake air temperature sensor. Look how dirty and carbon-filled it is. Let's clean it up! We will clean the sensor using contact cleaner spray and a fine toothbrush to remove all dirt and carbon buildup. You can also use carb cleaner or brake cleaner for this purpose. Now we can reinstall the cleaned sensor, insert it into the hole in the throttle body, and tighten it with the screw. Don't forget to reconnect the cable to the connector. And that's it! All the used parts and tools can be found in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I would appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a like. If you want more tips and videos, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for my channel. Have a great day, and may your rides be smooth!